Why cannot I send pictures on Messenger? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if you're stuck trying to send picture on Messenger but it won't just go through. So without further delay, let's get into this video. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Messenger needs a stable connection to send messages. So check if your internet is working properly or not. If not, you could also switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data and check if that works for you or not. If that still does not help you, and if you are opening up Messenger in your device, make sure to close the Messenger completely. After that, give it a fresh restart, and a simple refresh can also help you solve your problem. Then restart your application again, try to send the picture again. If still not, then you have to open up settings in your device. Head over to apps, then head over to Messenger. Once you're under the app info of Messenger, head over to storage and cache. Once you're here, tap on clear cache option. That will clear all of the temporary files or glitches that might be causing the issue and your problem might be solved. After that, go back, open a Messenger and try to send the picture again. If still not, make sure that the application is up to date. To check for the updates, you have to open up Play Store in your device and now using the search bar, search for Messenger. And if it needs update or if there's an update button, make sure to update the application. After that, your problem might be solved. If still not, make sure that the Messenger has the permissions to access your photos and stories. Again, for that, you have to open up settings, head over to apps, tap on Messenger, scroll down, head over to permissions, and from here, check the permissions for photos and videos. If it is not allowed, tap on it and allow the permission. After that, try to send the picture again. If that still does not help you, make sure that the size of your image is not too large. Messenger will limit all of the file sizes to about 25 MB, so make sure that you use the standard formats like JPG or PNG as well. And if nothing works, simply uninstall the application from your device and make sure that you remember your login credential. After you uninstall, reinstall it from the Google Play Store, log in again and try to send your pictures again. If still not, then the ultimate option is to open up a browser in your device and then you have to go to messenger.com from your browsers and then try to send the pictures from there, and that may help you solve your problem. That's it. One of these methods will help you or should get your images sending again. That's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.